Hello everyone, here Keval Patel, and today we are learn about how to calculate the quantity of material in brick masonry for 1 m cube. That means we are find number of bricks, cement bags and quantity of sand. Now, first of all, we all know about the size of bricks. What are the size of bricks? There are the two type of bricks. One is standard size and second is the nominal size. The dimension of the standard size is 19 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter. That means the longer side of bricks has a dimension of 19 centimeter, then width is 9 centimeter and the depth is also 9 centimeter. And the nominal size means with mortar the 1 centimeter is added, then the size of bricks is the length is 20 centimeter and the height or depth is 10 centimeter and the width is also the 10 centimeter. Now what do you mean by the mortar? Mortar means the mixture of cement and sand. We consider the ratio of mortar 1:6. That means 1 means the 1 portion of cement and 6 means the 6 portion of sand. That means the total portion of ratio 1:6 is equal to 7. Now we calculate the number of bricks used in 1 m cube. Our first step is the volume of nominal size of 1 brick with mortar. That means when we consider bricks with mortar, we use the nominal size of bricks 20 centimeter cross 10 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. When convert the dimension in meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 0.2 meter multiplied by 0.1 meter multiplied by 0.1 meter and the volume is become 0.002 m cube. Now for 1 m cube brick masonry, the number of bricks in one is equal to the total volume divided by volume of 1 bricks. We consider the total volume is equal to 1 m cube and the volume of nominal size of 1 brick is equal to 0.002 and we get the answer 500 numbers of bricks. That means in 1 m cube we use the 500 number of bricks. Now we calculate the how much mortar is used for brick masonry. So first of all we find out the volume of standard bricks. That means without using mortar of 1 brick, find out the volume. That means the size of standard brick is equal to 0.19 multiplied by 0.09 multiplied by 0.09. That means our answer is 0.001539 m cube. Now the volume covered by 500 number of bricks in 1 m cube, that means 500, and the volume of 1 brick is 0.001539. Then the total mortar value is 0.7695 m cube. That means the weight volume of mortar in 1 m cube is equal to the total volume minus 0.7695 m cube. Then our total volume is 1 m cube minus without mortar volume is 0.7695. That means we get the weight volume of mortar is equal to 0.2305 m cube. Now consider the filling frog, bonding and the wastage. Increase the volume 15%, then 0.23 plus 15% multiplied by 0.23. Our answer is 0.2645 m cube. Also water in mortar volume is decreased by 25%, Then 0.2645 plus 0.25 multiplied by 0.2645 is equal to 0.33 m cube. Now 1 m cube brick masonry, we required 0.33 m cube volume for the mortar. Now we find out the quantity of cement and sand. Here we consider the ratio of brick masonry is 1 gem 6, that means 1% of cement and 6% of sand is equal to the total 7%. Now for 1 m cube brick masonry work, the quantity of cement is equal to 1 means 1% of cement divided by the total portion is 7 multiplied by 0.33 the volume of mortar for 1 m cube, and we get the answer 0.4714 m cube. Now for 1 bag cement, the weight is equal to 50 kg and the volume becomes 0.035 m cube. Now we have answer in m cube, then we can convert the volume in bag, then we divide this value by 0.035. Now we get 1.3468 bags. Then in sand, there is the 6% divided by the total 7% multiplied by the volume used for 1 m cube is equal to 0.33, and we get the answer 0.2828 m cube. Now for the 10 m cube brick masonry work, we also find the quantity of cement and sand. The cement is equal to 1 portion of cement and total 7% multiplied by 0.33 masonry for 1 m cube, and the 10 m cube brick masonry work, that means multiplied by 10 is equal to, our answer is 0.4714 m cube. Now convert the volume into the number of bags. Now then divide 0.035 and we get the answer 13.468 bags. That means for 10 m cube brick masonry, we require the cement quantity is equal to 13.46 bag. That means 14 bags of cement we required for 1 m cube brick masonry. Now find out the value of sand. The total, the 6 portion of sand divided by total 7% multiplied by 0.33 and multiplied by 10 m cube quantity, that means 10, then we get the 2.82 m cube quantity of sand. Now we also find in other way the value of cement and sand. Here we saw that we consider 1 gem 7 into 0.33 is equal to 0.04714 m cube. Now we consider the density of cement is equal to 1440 kg per m cube. Now the density multiplied by the volume of cement 0.04714 multiplied by 1440, and we get the answer 67.8816 kg. Also we know that in one bag there is a 15 kg of cement, that means divide this value divide by 50, then we get 1.35 bags. Now we seen that and left side of the answer is equal to right side of the answer, that means we are correct. Thank you for watching this video.